Hi everybody, it's Gilbert and welcome to This or That. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a custom linking page, how to publish it to the web, and upload it into Schoology. Let's go ahead and hop right into it. So today I'm going to show you how to create a custom linking page that can look like your Bitmoji classroom, like this slide, or something that's simple with just a simple background and text boxes. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to open a new Google slide. And so when you open your new Google slide, I like to just title it. So this is going to be called Custom Linking Page. When you open the Google slide, you're going to leave it the way the page setup is at. So if you just want to double check that it's set up correctly, you're going to go to File, Page Setup, and just make sure that it's widescreen 16 by 9, and you should be good. So what I want to do is I want to do the Bitmoji classroom first. So when you attended my session a few days ago, you got a folder with all of the Bitmoji classrooms, templates. So I'm going to use this farmhouse one, and that's the one that I'm going to use for my linking page to match my classroom theme. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to select the background. So I'm just going to copy that and insert it into my slide. So I need a background. Now I'm going to need I'm going to do the carpet. So if you want to copy more than one thing, you're going to first select the item. So I'm going to select the carpet. I'm going to hold down the shift button on my keyboard. And what I need is the chair. So I'm going to select the chair. As you notice, these two items are now selected. I need the lamp. So then I'm going to Control C to copy those items and then bring those in Control V. It's a faster way to bring more than one object and then instead of just doing one at a time. The next thing I'm going to select are the lights. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to select the lights and then I'm going to hold the shift button and select the other items that I need. So I'm just going to Control C and then Control V to bring the lights in. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to need these little bars, and these wooden bars is what I'm going to have my buttons on. So then I'm going to just stretch this out. If you notice that once I'm done stretching it, it's on the chair. So what you want to do is you want to select the chair, then go to Arrange, Order, and then we're going to bring the chair to the front. There we go. So then I'm just going to bring that down a little bit. And I'm going to Control C, Control V. I want this again. So I'm going to have 2 rows of buttons. So I'm just going to bring that up a little bit. And then if you notice again, that wooden bar is still on the chair. So I'm going to do the exact same thing. I'm going to select the chair, go to Arrange, Order, Bring to Front. All right. The next thing I need is the title. So I'm going to put it 3rd grade. So these are my 3rd grade links. Let's just bring that up a little bit. So then you're going to go to Insert, Word Art, and I'm going to type in 3rd. There we go. Bring that over here. So you can start customizing it. So you're going to go to Field Color. I'm going to select a green. This is going to be the border that's around each letter. I want it to be black. And then how thick you want that border to be. And then you're going to go over here to the font that you want it to be. All right. And then I'm going to bring that up here. If it's too big, if you notice there's no size up here, what you do is you go to the corners and then you just bring it how big or how small you want it. Then I need to put the word grade. So I'm going to go to Insert, Word Art, and then I'm going to type in grade and then press Enter. Again, I'm going to customize it. I want this to be white. I want the border to be black. I might put that at a 3. Go to the font. Let's see how that looks. I might have to, yeah, that's perfect. So I'm just going to bring that up over here. All right. Now, if you notice, I had some wooden bars kind of showing that it's holding these letters. So then I'm going to go back to that document, select the bars again, control, copy it, paste it, and I'm just going to bring it up here. All right, so if you notice it's covering the word third. So what you want to do, just like at the chair, you're going to select third, go to arrange, order, bring to front. So then I might want to put this bar down just a little bit. All right. And then I'm going to, let that slide that over. But I'm going to paste another bar. I'm going to put that over here by grade. As you notice, it's still covering the word, so you can do the same thing. Go to select grade, arrange, order, bring to front. I might want to bring this down a little bit. Or I might want to do the word. Let's move the bar over. There we go. And then I need a plant, and then probably a frame over here. So let me go back over here. I'm going to select the plant, hold down my shift key, and then I'm going to need this. Control C to copy that, then go to Control V, paste it. So this was over here, move the plant over there. Then I might want to make this a little bit smaller and put that right over here. I might want to move that in a little bit. All right. So the next thing you're going to do is you need to find buttons. So you want to decide what are some of the apps or outside platforms that your students need to go to, like Book Creator, Padlet, anything within Schoology you can do, like a folder. So those are the things you're going to want to look for. So once you thought of all of the buttons that you need for your students that you want to link to outside platforms like Flipgrid, Book Creator, Kahoot, the way that you get these is you're going to open a new tab. So let's open a new tab. You're going to go to Google Images. And then, for instance, let's do Nearpod. So I'm just going to type in Nearpod. Over here, I want the logo, but I also want the logo to be transparent. So I'm going to click the transparent one. And then I'm going to select this. Then all I'm going to do is I'm going to right click, copy the image, and then I'm going to go to my linking page and then paste it in there. When it's transparent, it's going to take away that white background that's in there. That's behind the button. And then you're just going to put it where you need it to be. So I already have one here, but I'm just going to show you how to link it as well. So once you're ready, find all of the ones that you need. So you can do Epic, you can do Bookit, all of the things that you want your students to have easy and fast access to instead of typing in to their search bar. This is how to do it. So then here's Nearpod. Let me bring that down a little bit. So then I'm going to show you how to link them, because if you notice, these are all linked to the platforms that I want my students to have fast access to. So then I'm going to open a new tab. I'm going to type in, I got to start right there, Nearpod. I need the URL. So I'm going to go to the URL. I'm going to Control C. I need to copy that. Then I'm going to select that button. And then I'm going to go over here where it says insert link. Then I'm going to paste that link from Nearpod and then apply. So as you can see, it is linked. So before I show you how to upload this into Schoology, I wanted to show you how to recreate this simple linking page. So the way that this one was created is I have simply just got a new slide. Let me just delete all these text boxes. And so I just picked a simple color background. So I went to background, color, select a color. Then the next thing I needed was the table. So then you're going to go to insert table. Let's do 4 by 3. Then you're going to position that table the way that you want it on your page. I'm just going to make it fill it up, the page. Then you're going to go to border color. So I want it to be black. Then border weight, I'm going to put it thick, put an 8. Then the next thing I need to do is the titles. So then what I did was I highlighted both of these 2 cells. And then I right-clicked, and I want these cells to be merged. So then now I'm ready for the title. So I'm going to go to Insert, Word Art. I'm going to type in third. Now I'm ready to select the color for that word. And then I want the border color to be black. And then maybe a 3 for the thickness. Then I'm going to change the font. And then I'm just going to make that a little bit smaller. And I'm just going to position that over here. I'm going to do the same thing for the word grade. I'm going to go to Insert, Word Art, type in grade. I'm going to select the color white, the border black, and make it about a 2. Then I'm going to select the font. There we go. And then I'm just going to make that a little bit smaller. And then I'm going to bring that over here. All right. And then how I showed you previously, all you're going to do is find these buttons through Google Images, any of the platforms that you want students to use. And then you need to make sure that they're linked as well, just like I showed you previously. And then now it's ready for it to be in Schoology. So let's show you how we download it and put it into Schoology. So now that my custom linking page is ready to put into Schoology, this is how you are going to put it into Schoology. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to File, Publish to the Web. Then you're going to click this button that says Publish, select OK. And then we don't need the link. What we need is the embed link. So we're going to click that, select the link, hit Control-C on your keyboard, and then go to Schoology. So here's my Schoology course. I'm going to go to Add Materials, select Page. Then I need to give it a title, so I'm going to put 3rd grade linking page. Over here, you're going to switch it to HTML. And then this is where you're going to paste that embed link. Over here, you're going to select Display Inline. So we want it to be in the Schoology, not take them out to a new page. And then select Create. If you notice, it's going to be all the way at the bottom. What you can do is you can move it all the way up to the top. So I'm going to do that. There we go. I went all the way up to the top. And then here is your linking page. So when students come, they can go to any of these platforms that you need them to. So if they're in a station and they need to do a book creator, need to create something in book creator, they can just select book creator and it takes them straight to that platform. If they need to complete a Flipgrid activity, they just go to Flipgrid, click it, and it takes them straight to that platform. This is a live document, so if there's anything that I need to add, a different link to another platform, or I want to delete one, maybe I want to take out Padlet and put something else, it will automatically show up over here since it's already published to the web. So this is how you can not only create a custom linking page, but how to upload it to Schoology and also how to publish it to the web. I hope this video helps.